Welcome to my fast news segment channel. You can view quick news in few minutes. Muharram observed with Tazia procession 3 in UP electrocuted to death on Ashura, the 10th day of Muharram. Muslims commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Hussain Ali, a grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, in the Battle of Karbala in 680 AD with the morning rituals, as Muslims took out Tazia procession across the country and offered special prayer as they observed Muharram, the martyrdom of Imam Hussain. On Wednesday evening, 3 people were killed and more than 20 injured as Tazia came in contact with the high tension wires in Jammu and Kashmir. Thousands of Shia monks took out Ashura procession in Srinagar to the martyrdom of Imam Hussain. In UP, 4 people were killed, 26 injured in separate incident, while Tazi procession were taken out in. The State Board of Technical Education and Training sent a proposal to state government to cease the formal examination for typewriter. The exam is held twice a year in both traditional typewriter and computer-based mode, with the first schedule in July and the second in December. Annually, 4,000 students appear for the exam. Candidates who choose to use typewriter must bring their machine to the examination center, while those opting for computer-based test can simply walk into the center and take the test. Santosnagar Police recently arrested a man for dancing with a sword in a wedding. The police also seized the sharp-edged weapon from him. The arrested person, identified as Abdul Rahim 42, a resident of Dargah Barhan Shah Santosnagar, took a sword and was dancing with it. A video of Rahim dancing with the sword during a wedding went viral on social media platform. Police, upon coming to know about it, searched for him and arrested him. The police booked a case under Section 25, Subsection A of Arms Act 1959 against Rahim. He was arrested and sent to jail. Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa on Wednesday claimed that the Muslim population in the state has risen 40%, which according to him is concerning. Changing democracy is a big issue for me. In Assam, Muslim population has reached 40%. In 1951, it was 12%. We have lost many districts. This is not a political issue. For me, it is a matter of life and death. For me, the Bharatiya Janata Party leader Hemant Biswa have quoted the Bangladeshi minority community, ignored the development done in the area and voted against BJP. Hemant Biswa said. The Congress government in Karnataka on Wednesday defended its move to reserve jobs in private sector for Kannadi gas in the state, even and industry veterans objected to the proposed quota, calling it fascist and short-sighted. The government also sought to reach out to private sector, saying their interests will be protected. The state cabinet on Monday cleared the Karnataka State Employment for Local Candidate in the Industries, Factories and Other Establishment Bill 2024, making it compulsory for private firms to reserve jobs for Kannadi gas in the establishment. It is likely to be tabled in the assembly on Thursday. Apex IT Industry Board NASSCOM has expressed deep disappointment and concern over Karnataka quota for local bill mandating reservation for local in private sector and has exhorted the state government to withdraw the bill. Farmer denied entry to mall for wearing dhoti. Fakira Pan, a farmer by profession, had gone to enjoy a movie with his son Nagraj at the GT Mall on Mangadi Main Road in Bangalore around 6 p.m. on July 16, but was stopped by the mall management due to his attire. Fakirapan was wearing a turban and a dhoti. Mall authorities said that the entire attire was inappropriate. When Nagaraj questioned the unruly behavior, they insisted his fault. Fakirapan said it was unfair to treat the people on their attire. On July 7, social activities from the Kannada organized staged a protest in solidarity with Fakirapan and demanded an apology from the mall manager. The activities wearing a dhoti entered the mall as an act of revolt. Then GT Mall Authority were quick to issue an apology and facilitated Fakirapan, who accompanied the activities, and issue an apology. Bibi Ka Alam procession marked 10th Muharram in Hyderabad. Annual Bibi Ka Alam procession was taken out from Bibi Ka Alawa to Chadarghat in the old city of Hyderabad. The Alam was carried on a caparisoned elephant. Rupavati, the elephant, was brought from Karnataka. Special prayer meetings at food camps were organized at many places in Hyderabad to mark the occasion all across the old city, especially in areas like Alija Kotal, Purani Haveli and other surrounding areas. At Charminar, Srinivas Reddy, Commissioner of Police Hyderabad, and other police officials offered dhati to the Bibi Ka Alam procession on the 10th day of Muharram. Surgeon at the Osmania General Hospital have successfully performed a liver transplantation procedure on a 3-year-old boy on July 3rd and discharged him on Tuesday. Aditya, a resident of Kondavanamala village of Konijerla Manda in Khammam district, has been suffering from liver-related health issues since birth. His mother, Amala, offered part of her liver to be transplanted to her son. Both the child and mother were in stable condition as they have discharged. A team of OGS surgeons led by Dr. Madhusudan involving surgeons in surgical gastroenterology and liver transplantation successfully performed the procedure. An 18-month-old boy died after allegedly being mauled by a pack of stray dogs in Nagar. Hyderabad police said on Wednesday. The incident occurred on Tuesday night when the boy came out of his house and dog dragged him to some distance and later some stray bit him, resulting in injuries. They said the boy was initially rushed to an private hospital and from there referred to a state-run hospital where he died last night. A police official, Nagar Police Station, said based on complaint from boy's parents, the case was registered. In Delhi, police arrested a man for loot. Along with his associates, looted 4 kilograms of gold from a jeweler in Telangana and shot at 2 people during the robbery, officials said on Wednesday, July 17. Samit Dagar was declared a proclaimed offender in a murder case in Delhi after he did not surrender before the court on March 30, 2022, they said. An illegal structure near trainee IAS officer Pooja Ketkar family bungalow, Pune, has been cleared days after the civic body issued them a notice to remove it, an official said on Wednesday. Ketkar family might have got that alleged encroachment removed as the deadline set by the Pune Municipal Corporation. Municipal Corporation is not yet over, the official said. Katkar is in the eye of a storm for allegedly misusing the disability and other backward class quota to secure a position in the IAS, besides facing allegations of unwarranted conduct during her posting at the Pune collector office. Even PMC officials on July 3rd passed a notice outside bungalow in the city Banner Road area asking the IAS officer family to clear an unauthorized structure measuring 60 feet in length and 3 feet in width and with a height of 2 feet along a footpath adjoining the property. They have put a notice at the bungalow of Ketkar to remove the encroachment within 7 days. If the family failed to remove the structure within 7 days, PMC would clear and recover the expenses from them, said a senior civics official. Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy on Wednesday that farmers across Telangana who owe crop loans up to rupees 1 lakh will receive the crop loan waiver amount in their bank accounts at 4 p.m. on Thursday. By the end of the month, loans up rupees 1.5 lakh will be waived, and by August 15, the process will be completed with the waivers of loans up to rupees 2 lakh. The first phase will involve 7,000 crore. Revanth Reddy reiterated the Congress government commitment to fulfilling the promises made to farmers in Warangal Declaration of 2022 as well as for the all section in the party manifesto for SM election. He said the Congress government had spent 30,000 crore on welfare scheme in just 7 months of coming to power. The Warangal Declaration made by Rahul Gandhi assured a loan waiver of rupees 2 lakhs to farmers, a promise that the Congress government was determined to keep. He and Chief Minister on Wednesday held a meeting with Minister, Congress MLA, MLC, MP and party leaders at Praja Bhavan on the eve of launching of a crop loan waiver scheme on Thursday. For Chinese techies on fast track. India is expected to expedite the issuance of visas for Chinese technicians to address delay in manufacturing units which have impacted investment worth billions of dollars, according to 3 government officials. A new fast-track portal will be established to reduce the visa approval times to less than a month from the current duration of a year. The visa would allow Chinese technicians to stay for up to 6 months, another official added. With NASSCOM impressing disappointment over a bill passed by the Karnataka Cabinet to reserve jobs for locals in private industries, Andhra Pradesh Minister for Information Technology and Electronics, Nara Lokesh, invited investors to relocate their businesses. The Karnataka Cabinet on Tuesday approved a draft legislation setting aside 50% of managerial roles and 75% of non-managerial roles for local candidates in industry, factories and other commercial establishments. Facing a several backlashes, the Congress government in Karnataka on Wednesday decided to put the bill on hold. NASSCOM stated that the restriction could force companies to relocate as local skill talent becomes scarce. PRS Working President K.T. Ramarao has hailed Supreme Court directions to the Telangana government to substitute retired Patna High Court Chief Justice Narasimha Reddy as the one-man commission of inquiry probing alleged irregularities in the power purchase agreement made during the tenure of former Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Satyameva Jayate political vendetta and victimization have limits. The Supreme Court decision reaffirms victimization cannot endure for long, said Ramarao on Wednesday in his reaction to the Supreme Court order. KCI have filed appeal in a Supreme Court after Telangana High Court has refused to stay for proceedings with the Commission of Inquiry. The Kerala unit of the CPI had not been able to decide the candidate for the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat after his constant NIA Raja fared badly in the recent general elections. The party seems to be in a dilemma about talking on Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Wahana Lok Sabha fell vacant after the winner Rahul Gandhi decided to give it up and retain the Rai Bareli constituency in Uttar Pradesh. He later announced the candidature of his sister Priyanka Gandhi from the seat. The party seems to be in a dilemma about talking on Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Telangana Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy on Tuesday directed police to tackle drugs and cybercrime with an iron hand and focus on maintaining law and order in the state, especially Hyderabad. Addressing a meeting of district collector and superintendent of police, said that the police and exercise department and the Telangana Anti-Narcotic Bureau should work in coordination on drugs control. He directed the police to take a stringent action against foreigners found involved in drug peddling, mentioning that foreigners are being arrested in drug cases. He asked police officials to focus on the purpose their visit to the state and their activities. Revanth Reddy said those addicted to drugs should be kept in de-addiction center and suggested that a part of Cherlapalli air jail can be used for the purpose. He asked police officials not to compromise on maintaining law and order in the state. He remarked that police should be friendly with victims and not with criminals. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath on Wednesday met Governor Anandiben Patil in Raj Bhavan ahead of upcoming bypoll in 10 seats in the state. Early in the day, the Chief Minister also met ministers from the state at his residency to discuss the upcoming assembly bypolls in 10th constituency. The Finance Minister Suresh Khanna stated after the meeting today focused on the upcoming election and we are determined to win all 10 assembly seats whereby elections are scheduled. Bharat Airtel Foundation, the philanthropic arm of Bhartiya Enterprise, on Tuesday launched a merit-cum-means scholarship program that will fully fund students in technology-based engineering, undergraduate and integrated courses in top 50 national institutional ranking framework colleges, including the Indian Institute of Technology. The program, launched to mark 25 years of the Bharti Airtel Foundation, will begin with 250 students a year and reach 4,000 students in a phased manner. The scholarship program is expected to have annual outlay of rupees 100 crore to support students on a rolling basis. The program aims to support deserving students from diverse socio-economic background and will be applicable to students eligible for admission in August 2024. The scholarship will be provided to students whose family income does not exceed rupees 8,50,000 a year. Rakesh Bharti Mittal, Vice Chairman of Bharti Enterprises, said Hussain Sagar Lake crossed its full tank level capacity with the water level reported at 513.43 meters, with the full tank level being 513.41 meters and the maximum water level at 540.75 meters. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for part of Telangana, stating that heavy to very heavy rain is likely to occur at isolated places in Karimnagar, Mahbubabad, Warangal and Hanmakonda districts. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on Wednesday announced a new scheme called the Ladla Bhai Yojana for youth who have passed the 12th examination in the center. Under this scheme, students who have completed their 12th grade will receive rupees 6,000 per month. Additionally, those with a diploma will be given rupees 8,000 monthly, while graduates will be provided rupees 10,000 each month. Maharashtra CM emphasized that under this scheme, young job seekers will receive apprenticeship in factory. The state government will pay the stipend during the youth apprenticeship in the industry. He added, the announcement of this scheme will come under the upcoming assembly elections, which are scheduled to be held later this year. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on Wednesday vowed to punish those responsible for the death of 6 people, including anti-government protester after student protests saw campuses shut around the country. 6 people were killed in clashes between police and protesters, which was the most violent day so far in the week. Protests regarding public sector job quota for the children of freedom fighters who fought in the 1971 War of Independence. I firmly declare those who have carried out murder, looting and violence, whoever they are, I will make sure they will be given great punishment, Sheikh Hasina said. Watch the channel, press the bell icon to get latest notification of news. Like, share and subscribe my channel.